Okay, so what do we got here?
Yay.
We got this 7-piece National Parks packing cubes, which are so cool, and I really love them. And they're compression packing cubes, and they have the different, like this one here is the laundry bag. It has this roll up top here, and it's the Tetons. Got 2 of the extra large, which is Arches and Yosemite Parks. Then you got the kind of medium-ish one, compression cube, which is Yellowstone, big bison on the front there. And then this kind of smaller compression cube, which is Grand Canyon, has the cougar, mountain lion jumping across there. Then you got the shoe bag with the Smokies and the bears, the black bears and the Smokies. And then you got the tall, long tube one with sequoia, with the big giant sequoia tree on there and stuff. And really, they say 100% warranty. And they said even if a monkey in Thailand rips up your packing cube, you just reach out to them and let them know. And that's important because most brands are not going to do a replacement if you let a critter get a hold of it, right?
This one right here gets a hold and starts chewing on it.
Yeah, you know, it says,
never know.
You know, they're not going to guarantee a replacement, most companies, but this one says they will, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, so you got the 4 compression cubes, Arches, Yosemite, Yellowstone, and Grand Canyon, and they come in different colors and stuff, but we like the national park. So you got the tube, which is Sequoia, you got the shoe one.
What do you put inside of them?
Huh?
What do we put inside of them?
Well, that one there you would do socks or underwear. That one is shoes. You can do shoes. That's the shoe bag. And they're actually meant to hold, these are not a men's size 12, but they're meant to hold up to a men's size 12. These are our new Jowsons. Actually, Jowsons, they just sent us these shoes here so we could show them to you. And actually, so did Tripped Travel Gear. They sent us these bags so that we could show them to you.
Look at that.
But anyway, yeah, look at your shoe bag there. It's got
shoes
shoes in it.
So you could hang it up, you know, if you needed to. You were like, you didn't have enough space or something like that.
Right.
You know?
Yeah, you could hang that. That would be good. And then that one there's got some socks and underwear in it.
Which is a nice size.
Right.
Of course, I could put way more in there.
Right. And then that one's kind of the medium-ish one.
It's got
And
some
basically it's got a pair of pants and 3 t-shirts in it.
Yeah,
and what you do is you fill it up and you zip it up, and then you take the other zipper and you compress it. See this one here? It's gonna, you push down on it and then zip it.
Right.
So so then you just zip it up. Just push your body weight on it, zip it all up there, and then look how much narrower it is. It'll fit in your suitcase way better, way smaller and stuff. So yeah.
And I would think this would keep your clothes from getting, you know, all
dusty and dirty and
you know, messed up and stuff.
And so like here's the Yosemite one and stuff, and you just do the little, see if I can find the little zipper end here, and you just push down, you zip while you're holding it down. One where I put my body weight on it while I zipped it up, and then that one's smaller. And like, see, that one's still fat because it's not even zipped up all the way. It's not compressed.
It has the handles.
Right, the really nice grab handles.
When you're not using them, you just zip them all inside of one.
Exactly.
And they're stored so easily.
And they're so lightweight.
And they
nice fabric.
Yeah. And, of course, they got the cool
designs
on them, which is just even just the bigger. It's so cool.
I think they're really super duper cool. So love those. Thank you for sending those to us.
Great.